Hi.
Hi, this is Sydney from Prima. Now we are in Canton Fair in China, Guangzhou City.
And this is a big LED display.
Yes, you are right. Now it's our booth. As you can see here, this is a large LED display. The size is 135 inch, and let's zoom in. It's compounded by small pieces of the LED, and I can actually take it off and put it back. I can demo for you.
Nice.
See, now I take it off, and if I want to put it back,
Well, let me see here. Yeah. Boom.
yeah. Then it's
So this
recovered.
4K.
Yeah, this is 4K resolution, and the price will be around $9,000 USD. You may think it's expensive because the chip is the best chip. It's equipped with RK3588. So
It's got a powerful engine to run every application you want.
Yes, exactly. Every 4 pieces make into a controller, so you can customize the sizes. It could be smaller and also could be larger. Yeah.
Is there a minimum order quantity?
Yeah, the MOQ will be 5 pieces.
It's possible to put them together to make it even bigger? If I
Yes.
put another one next to it.
Yes, of course, because it's combined with small pieces, so you can customize the size and shape.
And this is on the stand, and there's a HDMI.
Yeah.
There's a connector directly on it. You can connect the source
The collector is not here, but it's over there, I think.
over there.
There are some ports.
Here we have the USB, and
Yeah,
maybe there's even
USB,
more
yeah.
ports somewhere behind. All right. So let's walk around the booth.
Yeah.
What does your company do?
Our company we are an ODM factory, and our main products are interactive flat panels and digital signages. We not only do the hardware side, we also develop our own software to manage and control those displays remotely.
What is this one?
This one is the best model over here. It's a QLED local dimming interactive flat panel, and so this
There's a pen there.
Yeah.
And you can show it a bit. So it's smooth.
Yeah. The pen is quite smooth, and this writing software are also self-developed. There are some very useful tools. I can split the canvas into 2 parts, and the students can systematically writing here.
Is it very expensive?
Yeah, this one is quite expensive because this model is the premier one. The chip is the best one. The chipset is the best.
Also RK3588.
Yeah, RK3588, and it's QLED.
Do you have an idea how much is price around?
The price will be around $1,100 USD, but it will depends on the memories and the size. This one is 86 inch.
86 inch.
Yeah.
Nice. And what is this here?
Yeah, this one is our standard model, so it's intermediate level, and as you can see here, it's all Google certified. So if you want to use any Google related applications, it's feel free to use. And it's dual camera.
Nice.
So
It's some more affordable.
yeah, and you can adjust it into wider angle. And also you can realize the face tracking or sound tracking. Camera is movable. Yeah. See, now
Is this
it's
also
wide angle.
3588 chipset?
This chipset is RK3576, so it's lower than 3588, but it's cheaper and more economic.
And cheap around?
Cheaper around $100 to $200. Yeah. Also depends on the quantity and the memory capacity. Yeah.
All right. Where's your factory?
Our factory are based in Shamen City, Fujian province, and it's around 3 hours train from Guangzhou. Yeah.
Is this a different one?
Yeah, this one is a different model. This is the cheapest model that we have. is non-OS. So what is non-OS means without any system, because currently the DDR price is surging in the market, so we launched a new solution. With this model, you don't have to worry about the DDR price. Yeah, and the highlight is 4K resolution. And also you can make any annotation here. In the market, many non-OS model doesn't have these features, but we can do that. And also you can clear the screen just by one click.
And when you do the annotation, is it a different file than what's on the laptop, for example? Or you can annotate on the laptop directly? It looks like it's there's a different layer.
Oh. Here is just a picture that we put here. So there is two ways. One is wireless casting. Like lately we will launch a new feature. You can cast your own PC screen into this display wirelessly. But also there will have a Type-C port, so you can collect into your own PC. Yeah, it will also.
And around what price can this be? And what's MOQ?
With this 75-inch size, it will be around $400 to $500. Also depends on the quantity.
And here's a table.
Yeah, this is a touch table for K-12 children. Yeah. Also, we put our self-developed writing board software here. You can feel free to write different type of pens, and also some quick tools. Yes.
Nice.
The interesting stuff is you can also download some games. So
it's all Android.
Yeah, it's all Android, and it's very eye protective, so it won't hurt children's eyes.
Do you have an idea what could be the price MOQ for this one?
The price will be around $1,200 USD, and the MOQ I think around 20 pieces like that. Yeah.
Imagine every pixel, every sound, enabled through HDMI technology. From the highest resolutions, the fastest refresh rates, to immersive multi-channel audio, HDMI technology powers a worldwide ecosystem of devices for movies, for gaming, for creators. Experience clarity, performance, connection. HDMI technology. Connect the future today.